Racing is not just something to do. Racing is a way of life. And racing, well, it's worth fighting for. Racing is small business. Racing is community. Racing is innovation. Racing is culture. Racing is under threat. From nuisance lawsuits to financial uncertainty, tracks across the country are struggling to stay open. That's why Sema and PRI launched Right to Race, a multi-state effort to pass key protections for local racetracks, preserving the passion and heritage of motorsports for decades to come. With wins secured in Iowa and North Carolina, and legislation already introduced across the country, momentum is on our side. Support our tracks. Support our drivers. Support our communities. Support Right to Race.